In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a custom Canva frame. By the end, you'll be able to turn any shape you design into a frame that perfectly fits your brand or layout. Start by opening your Canva design. Create the shape you want to turn into a frame using elements like circles, waves, or abstract shapes. If you've designed a shape elsewhere, make sure it's saved as a transparent PNG before you import it. Transparent backgrounds are important because the app needs a clear cutout to know what becomes the photo area. Keep your shape clean and bold with clear edges, so the conversion is smooth. If you are building the shape from multiple pieces, group them and make sure here is no stray background behind it. Next, go to the Apps section in Canva's sidebar. In the search bar, look up an app designed for frames, such as Frame Spark, Frame Creator, or Frame Maker. Open the app you prefer. These tools all work similarly. They look at your design or image and transform it into a usable frame that can hold photos just like Canva's built-in frames. Inside the app, select the shape or image you created. You'll usually see options to fine-tune the conversion, like smoothing the edges, tweaking the padding, or refining how tight the cutout hugs your shape. Take a moment to preview. If the edge looks jagged, increase smoothing. If the photo area feels too cramped, add a little padding. When it looks right, confirm to convert. The app will process your design and give you a new frame object ready for use. Now it's time to upload and fill your frame. If the app downloads the frame, upload it back into Canva. If it saves it to your library automatically, you'll find it among your uploads or recently used items. Drag the new custom frame onto your canvas and position it where you want it. To fill it, simply drag a photo from your Uploads or the Photos tab onto the frame. The image will snap into place. Double-click to reposition the photo within the frame and use the corner handles to scale it until the subject sits just right. If your frame sits behind other objects, adjust the layer order so it's visible, and keep an eye on contrast so the shape stands out. That's it. Thanks for watching.